Have a good day from SEO in GCC. Manama is a bustling metropolis, combining the rich history of Bahrain with the fast paced development of modern life. As the capital city, Manama is the hub of business and commerce in the country. From towering skyscrapers to local shops, every business in the city needs a solid online presence to compete in the digital world. This is where our SEO services come in. At our company, we offer a comprehensive range of SEO services tailored specifically for businesses in Manama. We understand the unique needs of businesses here and work hard to ensure that your website ranks highly in search engine results. Whether you run a restaurant in the heart of the city, a retail store in the Seif Mall area, or a service based business in other parts of Manama, we have the expertise to help you reach your target audience. Our SEO strategies focus on improving both local and international visibility. By optimizing your website's content, improving site speed, and ensuring mobile responsiveness, we ensure that your business stands out in a crowded market. Local SEO is especially important in Manama as it helps businesses connect with nearby customers. We also focus on keyword research, helping your business rank for terms that are most relevant to your products or services. For businesses in Manama, SEO isn't just about improving your Google rankings, it's about getting noticed by the right customers. Our local SEO services ensure that your business appears in searches when potential customers in Manama look for products or services like yours. We also help you optimize your Google My Business profile and manage online reviews to boost your credibility. If you are looking to improve your online presence and reach more customers in Manama, we invite you to visit our website. No matter your location in the city, we are here to help. Please feel free to contact us using the links in the caption to get started with your SEO journey.